Hi YouTubers, welcome to another Budgie vlog. I think this is Budgie vlog 8 now. The Budgies and I are just watching some Budgies in an aviary, as you've seen on the Surface Pro there. It inspires some good singing from Louie here. I'm not sure whether they actually watch the screen or whether they just enjoy the sound effects, but it certainly works to inspire some good singing. So if you haven't tried it, you must try putting some Budgie videos next to your Budgie or next to their cage and see what effect it has. This is a really cheery little vlog that someone put on their YouTube channel of their Budgie aviary. Such a cheerful little place, eh? Very good. Oh, have a good day, guys. Enjoy your Budgies. Bye.